All right, we're gonna test out the new Skil light. Well, not the new Skil light, the Skil Tower light here. You can see right there. You gotta change out this battery here. Well, not change it out. I gotta charge it. So I got 11 millimeter. Yeah, right here. I think it's 12 millimeter. Where's 12 millimeter at? This is the Gearwrench. Wrong way. 4-way ratcheting wrenches. That right in there, and I think this one is 13 millimeters. Okay. Okay. Got to charge the battery. So this E450 has a crank no start. Probably got to send the computer out to get it done. Send the computer out to get it fixed. So there you go. The Skil Tower light and Gearwrench 4-way ratcheting wrenches.